So dear student, in this video we will calculate the volume in ml required to react with 0.158 gram of sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate. So what is the volume of solution in ml? 0.1 molar potassium permanganate is used for the following titration. So the volume of 0.1 molar solution of KMnO4 we have to calculate. We have to calculate the volume of permanganate solution for the titration with sodium thiosulfates or hypo solution. This is alternate name of this is hypo solution. So this is reducing agent and this is oxidizing agent, and this reaction is a redox reaction. So from this, first of all we have to find the n factor, because we know that the equivalent of we will use the principle of equivalence, law of equivalence. We use the law of equivalence of the oxidizing agent is equal to equivalence of reducing agent. So equivalence means gram equivalent of oxidizing agent equal to equivalent of reducing agent. So n factor into number of mole equal to equivalent n factor into n factor times the number of mole. So number of mole equal to molarity into volume. So we will use this formula of law of equivalence. This is important. So the one side is oxidizing agent, second side is reducing agent. So equivalent of oxidizing agent is equal to equivalent of reducing agent. This is our main principal formula. So we put the molarity is 0.1. We have to calculate the volume V1, and the n factor for this n factor is the difference in oxidation state per mole. So difference in oxidation state is 3. Here +7 oxidation state of manganese is in this side there is +4, so difference is +3. So total number of electron change per molecule is +3. And for this thiosulfate to sulfate, the change in oxidation state is total number of change in electron per molecule is 8. So we will so 8 into m2v2 is the number of mole, and number of mole is equal to weight upon molar mass, because we have given the weight. So we will how we will find the mole? m2v2 is equal to number of mole, and we will find it from given mass upon molar mass. So as we put the value, we find the volume. By solving this we get 26.6 ml. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you how we solve this question very easily. So how we find the volume? We apply the law of equivalence. Law of equivalence means number of gram equivalent of oxidizing agent equal to number of gram equivalent of reducing agent, and this is n factor times mole, n factor time mole, and in this side mole is given. Mole, how we will calculate? Given mass upon molar mass, and in this way we will find the volume. Thank you. I hope it is clear to you.